Hey, welcome back, everyone. Tom from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in these insane markets with a euro-dollar update daily. All right, so tariffs on, tariffs off, tariffs on, tariffs off. Can you keep up with our president of the United States? Totally uses tariffs as a negotiation tool to bring people to the table to cut trade deals that are beneficial for the United States. All right, so euro-dollar got fueled by a little bit of that news, but we had the weekly resistance that we said on yesterday. If you go back and watch yesterday's video, I said there's going to be resistance at 114.30. Well, we made the high of 114.18, and then the euro-dollar starting to slightly wane off of its highs. It hasn't broken down. It's basically going to be in, I believe, a trading zone. So what is the most important point to watch today for support of this thing? If you are, a straight euro-dollar trader, I believe it's 113.60. 58, fine, right? 113.58. That's the level that has to hold. We're kind of coming close to it right now. If it breaks this 113, say 58 level, I believe that we're coming back down into these levels right here. Let me get another level right here. The 112. Say I'll go down to this point right there, the 112 like 20 level. That's fine, 112.23. I think that if we break this, we could potentially be going back into, a chop zone in here. Now, if we could somehow turn and break this top right there, we're going to have resistance right at 144.70 today. If it could do it. It doesn't look like it has much steam right now. It looks like it's calming down. If we go over to the U.S. dollar index versus it, we're starting to see a little bit of a reversal in the U.S. dollar index. Maybe the marketplace is discounting the tariff situation. I don't know. It's not too clear right now. It's not something that's given us, hey, the market is definitely, the dollar is getting stronger again. Now, dollar yen has rallied a little bit. I told you I was short that stuff at 143, like 15-ish. I took a partial at 142.30, had a stop at 142.60, got stopped. I'll revisit a short if dollar yen can break 142, the figure. Right now I'm kind of on the sidelines with that. I'm on the sidelines with the sterling yen and the euro yen. But the euro dollar, like I said, I don't really trade it straight. But these are the points that I would be definitely interested in. I'd be interested in, where's my euro dollar? Here's my euro dollar. I'd be interested in seeing what happens at this level right here. If you're a euro bull, you'd want to watch this point really closely, because if we can bounce off of it, we could potentially get through the 142.28. I think that if we turn down through it, we're going to come back into that chop zone that I've been talking about. Now, we have a 6-hour trend line sitting right at 112.50. If that goes, I don't think it's happening today, but if that breaks, this marketplace is heading back down towards the 111.53 level short term. All right. So euro dollar really got a little bit of boost when they said, tariffs off, gave the euro a chance to breathe and kind of get its footing a little bit. However, we also have in the background, macroly, we have that the euro zone is going to cut interest rates. Their numbers came out. They were like weaker than expected. So we got a lot of stuff that's running in the background that we have to be cognizant of. But that I think that a solid point, like I said, is that 113, say 58 level. It's got to hold in order for it to continue showing strength. If it doesn't, it's going to fall. I believe it's going to fall back into the lower zone. I don't think it's crashing. I don't think that's happening. It's still. I was slightly bullish on it, but caution. I said that yesterday. Today, I'm the same. I'm actually now neutral on the euro. It's inability to break through this high makes me suspect of something, you know. If it truly was in a like a biddish tone, it would have blew through this, would have came up to like, you know, 115, came back down, used this as support, and then, you know, made a new run at the 116. It didn't do it yet. Okay, so I'm cautious. I would be very, very cautious in it. If you're, you know, a bull, make sure you're running tight stops. Pick your points. You know, don't just trade off of emotion. Don't think that you're right. The market's wrong. The market's always right. Follow your trading plan. And remember, head over to Park Avenue Trading, get yourself a free ebook on breakouts. And as a short-term trader, enjoy the party, but dance near the door. Cheers.